Experiencing a no internet connection error on your MetaQuest app? This frustrating issue affects both iPhone and Android users. But don't worry, we'll walk through proven solutions to get you back online. The MetaQuest app requires 3 connection layers to work properly. Problems can occur between your device and the internet, between the app and Meta's servers, or between the app and your headset. First, verify your internet speed meets the minimum requirement of 10 megabits per second. Run a speed test using any online tool. This example shows 883 megabits per second, which is excellent. Next, optimize your DNS server settings. You can use Google DNS at 8.88.8 and 8.84.4, or Cloudflare DNS at 1.11.1 and 1.1.1. Both options can significantly improve connection reliability. Restart your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Wait about 2 minutes for full startup. Also check your router's admin panel for firmware updates, as outdated firmware often causes connectivity issues. Force close the MetaQuest app completely, then restart it. On Android, clear the app cache through your phone's settings. On iOS, try offloading the app. Always ensure you're running the latest version from your app store. Finally, verify that the MetaQuest app has the necessary network access permissions. Go to your phone's app settings and ensure all required permissions are enabled, especially network and internet access. These universal troubleshooting steps work for both iOS and Android devices. Try them in order for the best chance of resolving your MetaQuest app connection issues. Most users find success with these basic solutions. When basic troubleshooting steps haven't resolved your MetaQuest app connectivity issues, it's time to explore advanced solutions and platform-specific fixes. First, disconnect from any VPN service you're using. VPNs can interfere with the MetaQuest app's ability to communicate with Meta's servers, causing connection failures. Next, check your firewall settings. The MetaQuest app requires specific network ports to be open. Port 80 for HTTP traffic, port 443 for HTTPS, and port 5222 for real-time communication. To isolate the problem, test your connection on both mobile data and Wi-Fi. If the app works on one but not the other, you've identified whether the issue is with your home network or your mobile carrier. Now let's explore platform-specific solutions. iOS and Android have different system behaviors that can affect app connectivity. For iOS users, the first step is enabling background app refresh for the MetaQuest app. This allows the app to maintain its connection and sync data even when not actively in use. Also, review any screen time restrictions that might be limiting the MetaQuest app's network access, and ensure your iCloud connection is working properly, as the app relies on Apple's services. Android users have their own set of system-level optimizations that can interfere with app connectivity. Let's address these step by step. First, disable Data Saver mode if it's enabled. This feature restricts background data usage and can prevent the MetaQuest app from maintaining its connection. Next, exclude the MetaQuest app from battery optimization. Android's aggressive battery management can kill background processes that the app needs to maintain connectivity. For advanced users comfortable with developer settings, you can enable developer options for enhanced network debugging capabilities. Finally, ensure Google Play Services is up to date. The MetaQuest app depends on Google's services for authentication and cloud connectivity on Android devices. As a last resort, if none of these solutions work, you can reset your network settings. This will clear all saved Wi-Fi passwords and network configurations, so make sure you have them backed up before proceeding. By systematically working through these advanced troubleshooting steps and platform-specific fixes, you should be able to resolve most persistent connectivity issues with your MetaQuest app.